Next, harassment. Subtle disturbances to unsettle or distract us from peace. Anything that robs away our peace can be both psychological and spiritual. That's why we need to learn how to discern. Remember, I shared with you the 6 Ds of transformative evangelization. One of the Ds is about discernment. And discernment entails having a spiritual mentor or a spiritual director. Now, let's go to the extraordinary attacks of the devil. These are the examples I've shared with you earlier. Again, these are rare, they're more intense, they require pastoral and exorcism ministry. It may not happen to us, but as you mentioned in the chat, you know someone who have experienced this. Number one, infestation. Remember what happened in the apartment of our friend Judith. Remember what happened in the house of Monica from Cabanatuan. There were things that were happening there. Remember the gospel story when the Lord freed a possessed man and he sent the spirit to the swines and 2,000 a herd of 2,000 pigs fell through the cliff. That's a sign. That's an example of infestation where there is disturbances in places, objects, and animals. So the cases of haunted houses fall under this. Next, oppression. These are external attacks on mind, body, or circumstances.